Hello guys, today I'll give you a quick walkthrough of our platform food delivery app. But before we start, let me give you a quick heads up about its business model, revenue model and stakeholders. So the business model of this platform is B2B. The business owner will tie up with a restaurant and will set the commission for each restaurant. The delivery boy will be able to get the commission from each order. Here the commission rate will be decided by the site owner. The business owner will get the commission from each restaurant's order using this platform. The delivery person and the restaurant also get the commission from each order. This platform has 4 user types: customer, delivery person, restaurant and admin. Here customer will be able to place an order from nearby restaurant via payment card or wallet, can add money to the wallet, can add or edit delivery address and has ability to reject placed pending orders. Here restaurant will be able to accept and reject new orders, can hand over the orders to the delivery person, can do withdrawal of payments and can add or edit the products. Here admin will be able to manage all administration tasks and monitoring orders and payouts. So now let's talk about an environment. For customer, this platform is having web and app both environments to perform order specific operations. For delivery person, this platform is having app environment to perform order specific operation. For restaurant, this platform is having web and app both environment to perform order specific operation. And for admin, this platform is having web environment to perform management specific operations. So now I hope that you guys have a basic idea about this platform and are also interested in all over the concept. So now let's take a quick drive of this platform.
In this video, we will help you understand what is the mechanism of a food delivery application, who are the users who use it, how does the admin basically control all the operations of a food delivery application, how a customer places orders, how do they get delivered in real time, how are delivery personnel associated with this food delivery application, and so on. So let us get started. First, we are going to view the admin panel. Now, admin is basically the whole and sole owner and controller and manager of this entire application. So, using the login credentials, he or she can log into the panel. The first screen after a successful login visible is definitely the admin dashboard, and this basically shows all the important statistics that a food delivery app owner should know, like how many customers are using this app, how many restaurants are registered with this application, what is the net profit, what is the revenue amount, etc. These are the recent. Next is the banners. This banners menu is basically the image that is displayed in the header section of the application. Whenever a customer opens the app, what will be the 3 to 4 banners that will keep sliding automatically? So those can be either edited, deleted, activated or deactivated from this particular section. These are the recently registered restaurants in the bottom section, which the admin can view. The sequence can also be changed. The restaurants that are registered with the food delivery application can be viewed from here. Their status can be turned to active, inactive. There are many other actions that the admin can perform, like edit or check the bank details, view what is that restaurant serving, and delete that restaurant from the platform itself. So there's also a search button in order to search for a particular restaurant. This is one particular restaurant's information, which involves its name, contact details, basic and store information, the logo, background image. That particular restaurant's statistics are also displayed over here. There are the working hours. When does this restaurant operate on the application? When is it closed? What is the bank information? What is the background image? Also, what are the list of orders and their status and restaurant payouts that can be viewed from the bottom section. Similarly, an in-depth details section for customers is present on the menu below restaurants. So when the admin clicks on this, he or she can view who all are the customers who are using the app, the contact details of the customer, the delivery address that the customer has added in the app, what is the wallet history of this customer, Again, the statistics are present in the bottom section. So this is a very smooth application with a very in-depth attention to detail admin panel, we can say. Now the delivery persons, the management section can help the admin view who all are the delivery personnel registered. Under the category section, the admin can basically edit what all are the food categories present, what all are the total number of products that are available on this platform. Again, with the add-on, there are different prices that the admin can take a great view at. By hitting back, the admin can swiftly move to the main homepage of all products. Next is the promo code. Promo code is of course going to give benefit to every user who uses the same, and he or she can activate or deactivate those promo codes. What is the minimum order amount, the conditional promo codes, who all vendors can offer these promo codes to the customers, what is the exact promo code name, what is going the minimum order amount going to be, what is the discount amount the customer gets after applying the promo code, whether the type is in dollars or is it in percentage, the usage limit, how many times can this be used, what is the other explanatory description of this promo code, and what is the validity of this promo code, very important. So you can see that our developers have added every single detail that should be present in order to make this promo code work swiftly when it is applied or when it is used by the customer on the application. By hitting submit, the admin can easily activate and deactivate the promo codes. There is no need to code anything. Even the FAQs section over here can be easily edited by the admin. Whether it is going to be visible or not in the front end website can be decided from here. Issue management is of course very basic. If there are any issues that the users want to reach out about, if there's any feedback, any opinions, they can definitely reach out the admin like this. Under the orders section, it is a very detailed section wherein every single category's order can be viewed by the admin. Arrived, who's the assigned delivery person, and in process, what are the rejected orders, why were they rejected, what is the payment status of those orders, what are the completed orders. There's also a search box for filtering out certain orders that the admin wants to view. With a single click, the admin can view and track the entire order's details. He or she can view the history. Also, a print option is available over here. The earnings section is of course very interesting because it is very important to earn from what the food delivery application is doing in the market. So the net profit on every single product or on every single restaurant can be viewed from here. The contact us section, very important for the admin to know and to be very accessible to its users. The settings section can be used to not only edit the profile details but also the URLs, the social media links, etc. Then the app setting has the version controls, whether the update is going to be a forced update or an optional update for the users. What is the maintenance mode, if that has to be activated, it can be done right from here. So admin, as you can see, has the complete superpowers to control and manage this food delivery application. To build one such robust application of delivering food on demand or on one click of your customers, you can reach out to the designers, developers, and business analysts at 𝐓𝐢𝐸. They have had more than 10 years of experience in building such applications, and they have already served to the clients globally. They can make your application go viral in the food market. In this video, we will help you understand what is the mechanism of a food delivery application, who are the users who use it, how does the admin basically control all the operations of a food delivery application, how a customer places orders, how do they get delivered in real time, how are delivery personnel associated with this food delivery application, and so on. So let us get started. So first we'll go ahead with the registration process. It's a very basic registration process wherein the customer can add his or her first and last name, some contact details, includes phone number and email address, create a password, and then hit the sign up button. The OTP gets sent to the registered mobile number, and while the customer enters that, it helps him or her to do a successful login. So that is the registration process for a customer on a food delivery application. In this video, we will view how a customer can exactly place orders and what are the other functionalities that are available for him or her on this food delivery application. Let's get started. So first, the customer can log in using his or her credentials. On the home screen, he or she can see the current location that he can enter. The search location can either fetch the current location, or the user can also enter the delivery location manually. The bell icon is of course the notifications for every single order update. Today's best deals, some banners that are on the hot featured deals, some nearby restaurants, the categories according to which the customer can place order. There are a lot of categories available. Next is the restaurant details. So in a particular restaurant, what all details are there, what all category of food that restaurant serves according to the prices. There's a search option wherein either a restaurant can be searched for or a particular food dish can be searched for by the customers, and the search results will show everything. Customer can add a few items to the cart. On viewing the cart, the customer can view all the details like delivery location and what is the type of delivery, can also increase, decrease the items in the cart, put in any special instructions for allergies or cooking or delivery. Over here, it gets reflected in real time in the cart option, and also the profile can be edited from the right hand side bottom menu. My orders can be viewed, the status of the order can be repeated by one single tap. This is a very important feature. There are some saved addresses which can be edited, deleted, added. There's a change password option over here. There's an in-app balance that the customer can keep and place direct orders. There's also a history of wallet. The cards can also be saved over here. The amount can be sent to a user from here. There's also a contact us option wherein the customer can reach out to the admin. This can be a complaint, opinion, positive feedbacks, anything. There's a help and FAQ section for the customer's convenience. Check any promo codes that he or she is eligible for. And then on hitting the pay option, as usual, the yummy food will be delivered to the customer. So that's how the customer's application works. This is his or her menu explanation. In this video, we will be viewing the vendor panel. Vendor is basically a restaurant who has registered on the food delivery application or the platform. So using the login credentials, the vendor can basically log into the application, and the first screen of the panel is of course the dashboard for all the statistical details. Then there is a my profile option which can be edited from here. There is no coding required for the store owner to edit any details that he or she wants to be visible. So the basic controls are all present over here, ranging from the images, the bio description, the location. There also the working hours are mentioned over here. Very easily the hours can be changed. The minimum order amount can also be set from here, and what are the available services if there's only delivery or there's only takeaway available or both. So just by hitting one update button, it all gets updated and reflected in real time in the front end of the application. In the promo code menu, of course, if there are any promo codes that the restaurant has kept available for the customers. So what is the promo code name, the validity of the same, the order amount, if there are any explanation or descriptions, so all of those can be set from here. Then from the variant section, the vendor can just check what all variants are available on his or her restaurant online. Then all products section, again, all the products are available along with every minute detail. The featured products can also be updated from here. Under the orders section, the vendor can basically either check arrived, in process, rejected, and completed orders individually, or can also go to the all orders section and check out one or all the particular orders along with the updated status. The track order, the entire history can be viewed from here. On viewing more details, there's all the breakdown of the costs and earnings, order summary, address, customer details. There's a separate earnings menu, of course, very important for the store who has registered, who can see the status of every payment also from here. Then there's an admin contact wherein the customers can contact the admin. There's a change password option and also a logout option available on the menu. So that's how the vendor or the restaurant who has registered on this food delivery platform can operate. Every person or a delivery personnel can register on this food delivery application. So this is a mobile app that you can see, and the signing up process is pretty much very simple for the delivery people. So they can just add a profile photo, add their name details, their contact details, and email address is optional, but it is of course better if the delivery person adds this detail also. Here the delivery person can create a password and can also attach an image in real time or can attach an old image from the library and hit sign up. There's an OTP that immediately gets sent to the mobile number, and the delivery personnel can basically verify the profile, and that's it. That's how the registration process for a delivery person works on this food delivery application. In order to build such swift and smooth working on-demand food delivery application, you must get in touch with the experts at 𝐓𝐢𝐸𝐿. Now that we have viewed how a delivery personnel can register on an on-demand food delivery application, let us now view what all menu options and functionalities are available on his or her app. So you can see in front of you the login screen. The login is very swift using your phone number and the password that the delivery person had created. These are his already delivered orders in the history section, along with the earnings and ratings over here. The profile can also be edited very easily from here, and these are the total earnings section. The notifications can be enabled or disabled. These are the push notifications that he or she wants to receive. The password can be changed from here. The banking info can be edited, the account number and the routing number for receiving the payouts. There is my reviews, that is what all reviews has the delivery person received from the customers. Then there is a basic contact us section wherein the delivery personnel can reach out to the admin for any doubts, queries, feedback, or any problems, inconvenience that he or she has been facing. Here the delivery personnel can read the privacy policy of the app, can also go through the terms and conditions, and here are the notifications that he or she receives. So these are all the history, they stay saved over here. And there also is a log out button. So that is how the delivery personnel's application works. Now that we have explored all the panels and applications, their registration processes and booking and order accepting flows, let us go ahead and just see how does this order placing and acceptance happen in real time, how quick it is, how swift are all the pop-ups and notifications, and how easy it is to use this app. Alright, so let us first get started with two screens in front of you. So one screen is of the customer application, the second screen is of the vendor or the store or the restaurant panels. So on your left, as you can see that the customer has logged into the application and he or she is now going to scroll and select a food item that he or she wants to eat. So there are some categories and they include alcohol, beverages, brewery, fine dining, vegan food, fusion food, lot of stuff. So the customer can choose the food item from the restaurant, add a particular item to the cart. Viewing the cart, the customer can see the quantity, can increase the quantity from here, can select the type of delivery, can decrease the delivery items, and then these are the addresses that he wants to save. He can also save the address, he can enter the new address. He can also see if there's any promo code that he or she is eligible for, and then the grand total of the item. The customer can also provide some special instructions to the restaurant, for example, any allergies or anything, and then make the payment from wallet. There's also an option to add a new card for the customer. And after paying, the order is placed successfully. There's a pop-up notification. Now, on your right, as you can see that the customer has placed the order and it immediately arrives in the arrived section of the vendor. Now the vendor has an option to accept or reject the order. Right now the status is pending for this order number. He or she can view. Now the vendor has seen what is the order and has also viewed the order summary. So he or she goes and accepts the order. On hitting the option yes in the pop-up, the order has been accepted and the customer also receives the same notification that the order has been accepted by the vendor. This happens very quickly in real time. Now the customer can basically track the order. Over here, my order, it looks accepted. Now the customer can keep tracking every single update. There's also a map that the customer can keep tracking in order to see the real-time location of the delivery person. There's also a calling or a messaging option to the delivery person in order to instruct anything. Now that the order has been basically accepted by the delivery person, the status in the vendors panel also changes. Now the delivery person has reached the restaurant, so the customer receives this tracking update also. The delivery person collects the food parcel and the delivery person starts coming towards the customer. So the order has been picked notification also arrives in the customer's application. Now my order status changes to on the way, and for the restaurant panel it says that the order has been delivered. The restaurant vendors panel also says that the order has been delivered when the delivery person has completely delivered the order in the hands of the customer. For the customer also in the application, the order says delivered and he or she also gets an option to tap on repeat order and easily place the same order once again if he or she wants to. There's the order summary that the customer can view in the application, rate the delivery personnel. There's a tip to the store if there is any reporting for the food. There are some pre-default reasons for reporting that are already there. If there's any other customized reporting that the customer wants to do, that also can be done from here. The tip can be given to the store. This is a new feature in this food delivery application. This tip can be given either from the wallet or from the new card that the customer can add. The ratings and reviews to the delivery person can also be given by the customer. The vendor can also view the order summary and bill details from here. Here, the customer is giving a small tip to the delivery person also, along with a rating and review and a good feedback. So, yes, that is it. That's how the booking flow and the order acceptance and the delivery that takes place in real time in order to build one such very, very smooth mechanism and application for your food delivery. You can get in touch with the team at 𝐓𝐢𝐿𝐴 since they are very experienced and have gained immense expertise in building food delivery platforms. The team at 𝐓𝐢𝐿𝐴 will help you with building the food delivery application. We have gained immense expertise and experience over the years and have served global clients in building the food delivery application. In this video, we will be viewing how a delivery personnel can view the order, can act upon the order that is being received by him or her. So let's get started. Now, when the delivery person has kept his or her status available, he or she will receive the order requests from nearby locations. So this is his home screen, and as of now, there are no orders in my orders in the current section. Now, a request has arrived on which, after viewing the details, the delivery person can either accept or reject the request. The delivery person has a stipulated time within which he or she can accept the order. Otherwise, this request automatically goes to another available nearby delivery person. Now, over here, he or she has accepted the order request, so it is coming in current. Now the delivery person starts going towards the restaurant to pick up this food delivery parcel. Over here in the order summary, he or she can view where is the restaurant located, the order ID, customer details. He or she can also get in touch with the customer via a phone call or a message. There are some special instructions that are given along with the date and payment details. After reaching the restaurant, the delivery person collects the food parcel, and then again another update goes to the customer that the delivery person has taken the parcel and is now moving towards the customer's delivery address. Now in the navigation, the delivery person can go towards the customer's delivery address. Now, when the delivery person has reached the customer's delivery address, he or she can complete the order after handing over the parcel to the customer. Now, over here it shows complete and the order details can be seen over here. The exact time that the order was delivered can be seen over here. The delivery person can also see the total earnings from this order. He or she can also view the chat from here, apart from the order details that are being visible on the screen. Here are the total earnings that the customer has earned from this particular order. The delivery person has received good ratings and review from the customer. So again, a pop-up is there, notification. He or she can view the same in detail also. There's also a tip that the customer has given to this delivery person. So that's also being displayed on the same screen. So yes, that is how a delivery personal's app in a food delivery application works. And in order to build one such good food delivery application which lures a lot of customers to your business.
So guys, this is all about the core features of our platform food delivery app. Other than that, there are many advanced features like earning, orders, etc. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please get in touch with us to discuss more in a brief.